Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD got a boost last week from the strong US PMIs, which lifted treasury yields and put in question the rate cut in September. Once the market digested the report and saw that there was more good news on the growth side than bad news on inflation, the USD strength faded. The USD held the gains against the JPY because the data was still supportive for the Fed's higher for longer stance and the positive risk sentiment. Both the scenarios are negative for the yen, so the trend will likely change only when we start to get some recessionary US data that will make the market to price in a more aggressive rate cut path and lead to some risk out sentiment. Now on the daily chart, we can see that USD JPY continues to rise slowly into the intervention level at 160 as the lack of recessionary US data keeps the yen on the back foot. From a risk management perspective, the buyers will have a much better risk to reward setup around this trend line, but we will likely need some big miss in the US data to trigger such a correction. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we've been consolidating here around the 157 handle as the general USD weakness put a lead on further gains. There's a good support here for the buyers around the minor trend line, where we can also find the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level for confidence. The sellers will want to see the price breaking below this trend line to extend the correction into this major trend line. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more clearly the range-bound price action of the last few days. A break below the 156.51 level should see the sellers piling in to position for a drop into this minor trend line. On the other hand, a break above this 157.20 level will likely increase the bullish momentum, with the buyers increasing the bets into the 158 handle. Today, we get the US Consumer Confidence Report, where the focus will likely be on the labor market details, and weak data should give the yen a boost in the short term. On Thursday, we will see the latest US jobless claims figures, and finally on Friday, we conclude the week with the Tokyo CPI and the US PCE reports.